Hey, what's up guys, I'm Lan here. Welcome back to a new video on my channel. So as you can see, this is an iPad 8th generation and I have been using iPadOS 15 on my iPad 8th generation. So I have made two videos about it, my initial impressions and how to download the iPadOS beta profile if you want to try out the software in your iPad probably. So do check those videos out. I would probably give a card right here so that you can go ahead and check those out. So in this video, I just want to do a follow-up review and want to share my experience after using this iPadOS 15 after using it for 15 days. So then again, this would be my impression video, and also this would be my follow-up review after using this iPadOS 15. Although this is the beta one, there's a lot more to share. So make sure you are watching this video till the end, and also if you're new here and happen to enjoy the videos like this, then definitely do give this video a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to the channel because this gives me a lot of motivation to make more of this kind of videos. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is an iPad 8th generation. So before doing anything, let me go to the settings, general and about section. So as you can see, it says that it's iPadOS 15 and the build number is 19A5261W and the model name says it's 8th generation. So guys, it's a developer beta 1, so there are many modifications are yet to come before this software goes to the public, which is expected in coming September or October with new model of iPhones. So along with iOS 15, iPadOS 15 is going to come. So if you want to try out the software, first and foremost you have to download the beta profile. How you can download the beta profile? Go to Safari and just search in Google iPadOS 15 beta profile. Once you have the beta profile, go to the settings again and then import the profile and then restart your iPadOS 15, then check the updates, go to the software update section, check the updates. You would be able to find out that iPadOS 15 beta 1 is available for you to download. So as you can see, as of now it's iPadOS 15 and there are no updates as of now because I have already installed it. Now coming to my experience, I have been using this iPadOS 15 for more than 15 days. So let's first talk about the battery life. If I click on the battery life, the biggest change is we have a low power mode over here, and I would say the battery life is the biggest gripe I have with this iPadOS beta updates, because the battery life is not that good, especially talking about the standby battery life, because earlier I was on iPadOS 14, which was a stable series of updates, and when I was not using my iPads for days and even for 3 to 4 days, so the standby time was really good. But it's not the same with the iPadOS 15 beta. So as you can see, as of now the battery looks good, but I have not been using my iPad lately. As you can see from the screen on time has been 7 minutes and screen off time has been 54 minutes. So I would say after 2 to 3 days the battery actually drops gradually, and I have to charge my iPad twice or thrice in a week, although I don't use my iPad. So that's regarding the battery life. So one more thing I have talked about is this multitasking. So once you open any of the application, you get this 3 dots. Once you click on these 3 dots, you are supposed to get this kind of options. So now let me show you. If I open YouTube for that matter, I get this 3 options, and if I this slide over, so it would be slided to the left or right. So according to you, you can set that and you can manage your multitasking according to that. So that's really a cool feature. And also if I show you the recent tabs, this is how the recent tabs would look like, and these are all the apps that I have been using on and off in the background for past few days. So the multitasking is something that I really enjoyed, and I hope that in coming betas the multitasking improves even further. Now talking about the Facetime, this is something I have been using actually, to be very honest, as you can see. So this multitasking, this Facetime create link is something that is very useful, and if you want to share the link with somebody who is not holding an iPhone or iPad, they can even join the meeting from the custom link that you would give to them, probably from Windows browser or probably from an Android phone. That would just open their Google Chrome or whatever browser they are using, and they would be sort of able to join the meeting and would be able to connect with you. So in the work from home situation, or if you're a student probably, so this works really well, because not everybody is having Apple ecosystem or iPad or iPhone. So if you have latest iPadOS 15 or iOS 15, then definitely this is the feature I would like you to try out. So then again, iPadOS 15 has been really good because in terms of performance, I would say there are no lags. I'm even surprised that how the animations are very much smooth and how it actually feels good with iPadOS beta 15. So earlier I have used iPadOS 14 beta as well, but that time the refinement were not that much of great. The software or the UI used to feel a little choppy, but that's not the case with iPadOS 15. As you can see, the animations are really good, and also overall there are no lag and choppiness what I can see on my iPadOS 15. So that's really a good experience, and I only think the things would go and things would improve further when we get to see iPadOS 15 beta 2. So definitely make sure that you subscribe to the channel, because once I receive the update of iPadOS 15 beta 2, I'm going to make a follow-up video and going to show you what the new changes or maybe the new refinements, or are there any improvement further to the battery which is not there in iPadOS beta 1. So then again, this was a short video. I just wanted to show you how is my iPad doing with iPadOS 15 beta 1, and also wanted to talk a little bit about the multitasking and also about the Facetime new features and the battery life. So then again, I hope you enjoyed this little video. If you do enjoy this video, give this video a thumbs up, and also if you're new here, I would definitely request you to subscribe to the channel, because that gives me a lot of motivation to make more of this kind of videos. Now with that being said, I will see you on my next video. Bye.